Hi guys, welcome to Deep Master and display resolutions missing. So how to resolve? So guys, first method, please update your graphic driver if you're using. Otherwise, you have to update your display driver. So right click to Windows icon, go to Device Manager, extract display, and if it is showing like Microsoft basic display driver, so you have to update and automatically. Okay, and if it is come the best driver already installed your system, so go to website, official website which is you graphic card and motherboard using, so you download the display driver and then install it. Okay, and next try to this monitor update, then close it. Next method, next guys, use advanced setting for display. So click to start, go to setting. Okay, systems, display. Okay, scroll down, change multi monitor, change screen. Okay, this is search. Okay, advanced display, this is my resolutions. Okay, and if more than, just back it. Okay, then close. Next method guys, so you have to check your cable, it is proper connected not, or okay. Then next, so guys, next step, run system file checker and dims. So click to start, type cmd, and right click to run as administrator and click to yes. Then this command I will give in description, so you can directly copy paste one by one, copy and hit enter. That is command incorrupt system file can cause random reboot. SFC can detect and repair those file, and DAMS can fix the Windows image issues. Okay. It will complete 100%. Then type second command, this one, and then this one, and one by one by one. Okay. Then first one is completed, then copy second command, and you can type manually if it is not copy paste. Then type to hit enter. Okay. Then third one, then fourth last.